we're going to show you how to put a CVS rack together very quickly using an extension bit and power drill. Simply open the box. You'll have two sets of vertical supports. Simply place these together so that the pocket screws on the bottom. There's set one. This one does not have any pocket screws and it goes in such as this. Here's set two. Again, the pockets for the screws is on the bottom. I'm going to set those aside temporarily. Here are the instructions that come in every one. You can read those, but like most guys, you probably wouldn't. Girls, you probably will. Comes with an extra 8 screws, I believe, which are a couple extra, and a 2-inch bit. Comes with 1, 2, 3 shelves. Obviously, this is the bottom. We have pre-routed holes for the support beams. The one with just 2 holes is the top. And this is the middle, and it has grooves both on the bottom and on the top. We simply take one set of the pocket screws and vertical beams, we place it down into the pre-routed holes. We take 2 screws, come in at about a 30-degree angle. And finish strong. Do not leave any of the screw up. It's very stable now. Take your middle shelf. Place it over on top of the, you got to line them up. Put it on the grooves. Place down. Take 2 screws. There's a pre-drilled hole. Go all the way down, seated properly. Half your rack is put together. Take your next support beams, place it in the grooves. Take 2 more screws. Find your pocket hole. Finish strong. Make sure you go all the way in. Again at an angle. Take your last shelf. Place on top. Doesn't matter which direction that the holes go. There we go. Seated. Simply take your screws, go into the pre-drilled hole. You're done. That's it. Thank you.